Jenny here. Fall is here and the temperatures have gotten cooler, but I'm going to hang on to summer just a little bit longer, and we're going to make some s'mores cookies today. So let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 4 graham crackers, coarsely chopped, 1 cup of mini marshmallows, 1 Hershey bar that we will coarsely chop, 1½ cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 10 tablespoons of butter softened, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I keep mine in a Tupperware container so that it stays soft, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 3/4 cup chocolate chips. Sure, my daughter's home now. First we will mix together the dry ingredients and then set them aside. So we need that 1½ cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of the cornstarch. We will now cream the butter and the sugar together. Then we will add our brown sugar, our egg, and our vanilla. We will add our 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, and we will coarsely cut up our graham crackers and also add that to our mixture. We don't want these cookies to spread too much when they're baking, so we are going to refrigerate the dough for about ½ an hour. So I'm going to put it in a bowl, cover it with saran wrap, and into the refrigerator. While our dough is in the refrigerator, we will coarsely chop up our chocolate bar, and then because marshmallows, when they cook, they puff up a lot, we're going to take our marshmallows and basically rip them in half and set those aside, ready to go for when our cookies are baked. Okay, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to roll out our cookie balls into about 1 to 2 inch size ball, depending on how big you like your cookies. And we'll just place them on our tray. I just want to press down on the cookies just a little bit, flatten them out just a tad. And if you want to have your marshmallows more melted into the cookie, you can put them on now. Otherwise, we are going to bake them for 8 minutes and then put a couple marshmallows and a chocolate piece on top and bake them for another 2. Into that 350-degree oven for 8 minutes. Okay, our 8 minutes is up. We're going to take these out. We're going to add our chocolate and marshmallows. Oh, look at that. They already look delicious. Back in the oven for another 2 minutes. Oh yeah. There we go, the marshmallows puffed up just a little bit. Ooh, that's warm. The cookies have been cooling on a cooling rack right now over here amongst my plants. So we're just going to transfer them to a cooling rack so they can finish cooling completely. And then we can eat them. Best part. The s'mores cookies are done. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat s'mores and if you've ever tried a s'more cookie. So we'll see if this is going to taste like summer or not. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Cookie with the extra graham cracker, chocolate and the marshmallow. That's pretty delicious. It's gonna fall apart on me. Summer. Ow. Yum. Tired. Alright. These s'mores cookies are done. So, I knew this wasn't going to go right the first time. It's too late. It's late at night. I'm tired. Take 2 already.